Hello everybody, welcome to Drunken Sailor Cocktails. If you've been here before, you know me, I'm Bill the Drunken Sailor, and if you haven't, welcome to the channel. Well, today we are making a riff on a classic cocktail, an espresso martini. But this one is as smooth and I think as delicious as any one you've ever had. So join me behind the bar over here and let's get pouring today's cocktail, the Soft Focus. Now, as I said, this is a riff on the espresso martini, one of Dick Bradshill's classic cocktails. But we're adding a couple flavors in there that is going to soften this up and smooth it, and hence the name Soft Focus. It's a great cocktail for sitting around with friends in the evening, just relaxing, having a great conversation. Our ingredients are, we're using amaretto, we're using vodka, we're using Licor 43, and that's a Spanish liqueur that's going to give this cocktail its signature. Vanilla notes, some cinnamon in there, absolutely delicious. We're going to use cream, and of course, it can't be an espresso martini without espresso. And another ingredient that's going to bring this up a level is we're going to actually use some almond bitters. So, first off, we're going to put in there 1 ounce of espresso. And this is cold, fresh espresso. 1 ounce going in. Our next ingredient going in there is going to be heavy cream. And for that, we are going to use 3/4 of an ounce. We're going to follow that up with the almond bitters. Now, this is a different twist for us. I've never put bitters into an espresso martini before, but the toasted almond bitters are going to complement the flavors that go with the amaretto. And we're just going to put in there 1 dash. Now, since we're going to complement the amaretto with the almond bitters, we might as well throw in some amaretto in there. And for that, we're going to put in 1/2 of an ounce. Beautiful, delicious, nutty flavor to that one. Next ingredient going in there is going to be our vodka. I'm using Absolute today. And we're going to put in there 1.5 ounces. Our final ingredient in there, and once again, this is the backbone of this cocktail, it is going to be the Licor 43. Almond notes, cinnamon, spices, and for this we're also using 1.5 ounces. That is everything we need in this shaker, except let's get some ice in there and chill it down. Let's put a lot of ice in there. We want to get this really cold. Give this a shake. We're going to keep shaking this until we get that side nice and cold. That tells us that our cocktail is the right temperature. Make sure this is a really vigorous shake. We want to get a good foam buildup on the top. That crema is what makes an espresso an espresso. One more time here. Now that we've got that, let me go grab a coupe that I've had chilling. I've had some ice sitting in there to chill it down. We're going to dump this out, and now we can pour. We're going to use our Hawthorne strainer on that, gated pour, and we're pouring. We're getting the foam on the top of that. And there, we're hitting the home stretch. But an espresso martini needs what? We need coffee beans. And we're going to put in there 3 coffee beans. And once again, with the espresso martini, health, wealth, and happiness. And there's today's cocktail, the Soft Focus. Let's give it a taste and see how we did. I'm really anxious on this one. Oh. First off, you've got that espresso flavor in there, so you've got the strong coffee background to it. And then we bring in the sweetness of the amaretto It's got that nutty flavor to it. So as we put in that Licor 43, you've got the vanilla notes in there with the cinnamon and the little spices going in there. And then you top it off with that extra pop from the bitters. This one really sets itself apart from an espresso martini. If you like it, you've been here this long, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you at the next cocktail. Cheers, everyone.